Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing some natural makeup for you guys, and it's just going to be concealer and no foundation. So to start, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution brow pomade in this e.l.f. brow pencil that I have. So first, we're just going to outline the eyebrow right here. Let me zoom y'all in a lot so you can see. You see? First, we're just gonna outline that, and then make this edge. And then we're just gonna do that to the bottom. Outline so you can get the shape that you want for your eyebrow. Now we're just gonna fill in this part right here, and then with the rest of your, like the rest of the pomade left, you just bring it up here so you don't have like block brows. Okay, get more on your brush and then just cover that up right here. Okay, now we're just I'm gonna do the other one real quick and then I'll get back. Now we're gonna go in with this concealer that I got at Dollar General, I think. LA Colors. I just got it to try it out, and so far I really like it. Now we're just gonna go right under your brow. You see? And I really like this this concealer, because it looks like my skin color. And it doesn't look like white spots under me, you know, under my brows. Then just blend it out with that same brush. Tiny bit, guys. We're going for a natural look, remember. Now we're just gonna do that to the outer edges. Now we're just gonna spot conceal anywhere where you need concealer. If you got some red spots, cover that up like that. I got a little bit of red spots here, and then right here where your mustache is. And then like just some spots. I have a lot of spots on my face. I don't know why, but that's just how I am. Okay, now we're going under the eye area. I really like this applicator on this concealer because it's just like a little paintbrush. Now I'm going to use this little brush that I use from BH Cosmetics to just blend my concealer out. If you're using a really light shade for this, it's going to look like you have spots everywhere on your face. So make sure you're using one close to your skin tone. So just make sure you just got all that blended. So now we're going in with bronzer with this brush, also from BH Cosmetics. keep blending it. And then just bronze a little tiny bit on your chin. I'm just gonna put bronzer here on the forehead. And then I have this other bronzer. Well, it's a blush by NYX, but I only use it to bronze kind of because it's like a brown color. You see that? So I'm just gonna go over this a little bit. Okay, and then with this brush, I'm just gonna get that a little bit from this palette, from this little thing, and then bronze my nose a little bit, like to contour it a little. Oh my god, my shirt is being so loud. Get some blush now, guys. This one is from Wet n Wild in the shade, I don't really know. Oh, Pearlescent Pink. And then we're going in with this brush from, I don't remember, guys, but it's just a fluffy brush that I use for blush, and then we're just gonna go right here in our cheeks. So a good way to do this is just smile a little bit, and then your cheeks that pop out is where you, like right here, the apples of your cheeks is where you're gonna put the blush. And I like to go in circular motions, and then like just go like this. You see, guys? And then put a little on your nose. Now we're just gonna do a really simple eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use my Sultry palette that I have, and because it has a lot of neutral shades that I want to use. And then I'm going in with this shade called Birch. This one right here. So we're gonna just put that right here. Okay, guys, since I'm wearing this shirt with a little pink and I'm going somewhere today, I'm going to do a little tiny bit of this color Bloom right there. And also with the same part of the brush, I'm just adding this to the outer corner just for color. I really like these eyeshadow shades because they're really easy to blend on this palette from Sultry, the Sultry Anastasia palette. It's really good to use for natural colors that you just want to use every day. And then it's a really good palette for just glam looks. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to cut some mascara on. So now we're gonna go in and I'm gonna put lashes on, guys. These are from Kiss. And these are the blowout lashes. You see, these are so cute. And they're Next Gen Wispy. I don't really know the name of them, but we're just gonna put these right on top of our normal lashes. And I'm gonna go in with this Kiss lash glue that I have. Those are on, you see? And golden like highlight thing. But I really like the shades in it. They're really good. And this, I've had it for a long time. I don't know. But I got it at TJ Maxx, I think. But it's really good. So I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. highlighting brush that I have. And actually, I'm going to go in with this one. It's not e.l.f. It just came with one palette that I have. But I'm going to go in with this shade Dream. It's like a kind of pink color. I really like it. It's, I don't know, you guys can use like a really gold look, like a golden highlight and some really soft highlight. But I really like this one. Then just blend that in circular motion. Like this. Girl, you is shining like a diamond. Okay. Now you just go to the other cheek and do the same thing. And then to the chin. And then do the nose, the tip of the nose. And then I go like, I pinch my brush and then I do this and then I go like this to the nose. So you can have a really highlighted bridge of your nose. Then put some on your forehead. So now I'm going to take a little bit on my brush and then put it right on the top of my brow bone. Right there. Girl, you're looking good. Oops, my brow. And now we're going to go again on this edge, on this brow bone. Girl, you're looking good. Now we're gonna go on to, with a tinier brush, with that highlight and put it on the inner corners. Okay, we're going in with Matte Beauty 69. And then just put that on. So I'm going in, I'm just going to put a clear gloss right over that. I'm just going to set this look with this Mario Badescu spray. And then I'm just going to use a random palette to dry it. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys liked it. It's super simple, and next time I'm gonna try to do a little more glam for you guys with foundation and everything. But I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, bye guys, see you next time.